Yeah, it sounds like it's coming from the impeller pulley, but it's very, very, very minor. Rev it up a little bit. From right there, but boy, it's that minor. I mean, I don't even hear it now. I mean, barely hear it. Just an occasional little squeak. Rev it up a few more times. Just kind of rev it up and down. Up to like 3,000. Okay. Engine sounds really strong though. That's it.